Hi, CF Lieu again, independent licensed financial advisor in Malaysia, and in today's tax relief lesson, I want to tell you how to use your spouse, and it could be your husband and wife, legally, as definitely not your boyfriend and girlfriend, to pay less tax by claiming more income tax relief while still staying as a responsible taxpayer. And that is what I mean by you are doing tax avoidance, which is legal from the guidelines set by Lembaga Hasil Dalam Negeri or Inland Revenue Board. If you really want to surprise your other half, your spouse, your husband and your wife, for some birthday present. I know who does not really appreciate when you actually, either man or woman, they will really appreciate if the other half gives them a nice birthday gift in the form of a new handphone, whatever latest model there is. It could be iOS, could be Android, doesn't really matter. So how cool is that? And I would like, my wife would love it. I would love it actually, So smartphone. So just buy smartphone. Now you might cover this, know about this one of the lifestyle tax relief. Now you can buy it for yourself, but it will be happier if let's say if you're the husband, you buy for your wife, so you're entitled for the tax relief, and then actually your wife buys for you rather than both of you buy for yourself. Now that is called the Canada service, it's called Cheng Chui, which is really good. Or if smartphone is not your thing, you can actually buy them a tablet if they need a tablet. And if iPad and all that, if they are really looking for a new laptop, then it might as well also buy them a new laptop, right? But bear in mind, it's always lumped together with your internet subscription. If you buy books for your spouse and for yourself and all that, at this point of recording is about 2005, right? And if you are the wife, for example, and you know that your husband have a high income, you always want to bug him to buy you that smartphone, that tablet, that PC, the latest and the hottest in the market, which you have been aiming for, right? And if you're the husband, you might want to actually bug your wife to buy you one. No, wait. That just scrap that. That sounds very wrong. So you get the hint, right? Now, if some man that really doesn't get it, wife, you have to do some job. Give them the hint to say, what I want for business present. And you see, if you buy a 2000 kind of handphone or all that, and then that's 2000 high income tax rate. If your husband is at 24 income tax rate, you can actually get more tax refund. Your husband will get more tax refund, let's say like 500. So that handphone actually doesn't cost you 2000, doesn't cost your husband 2000. It only costs the husband 1005 after the tax relief, right? Which you don't get immediately, but that is the case, right? So just show him this perspective. He's not the financially savvy person, and likely he will actually appreciate you for that, and vice versa, right? It's really weird when it comes to this tax relief. You can also buy books, journals, magazine, or all that for each other, for the spouse, but it just seems like it's not a popular thing to do, to buy books for your other half. Now, generally that is the case, but if you are looking at books like Kama Sutra and all that, that might actually make sense. If husband buy for the wife or the wife buy for the husband, which I think men will love it very much. However, I don't think this Kama Sutra book or any of that sort is it should be classified under banned reading material because it's not available in the bookstore, right? So that we are actually stepping in the gray area over here. Now, the other thing you can do is we are talking about sports equipment. You can buy for yourself or for your spouse, your wife and your husband as well. Although buying that kind of sport equipment for the other half, it's very unromantic unless you are really, both of you are pro athletes like Lee Zhongwei and his wife. But it would make more sense if instead of the equipment, you just buy them like gym membership. Now, gym membership might work. Now, but here's the caveat. If she is a gym, if your wife, let's say if your wife is a very healthy person, she likes to go to gym, buying her an entire year of gym membership, she will really love you to death for that. She's fit, it will give her a lot of options, the gym that she likes to go, and she will thank you for that. But tread very carefully. Your wife is not exactly slim and you try to buy her a gym membership, I think you're going to get yourself into a huge world of hurt.
Somebody gonna get hurt real bad.
Huge trouble. It's like you are saying that she is fat indirectly by buying her a gym membership. So don't do that. Now the other thing about this spouse tax relief is that you can actually claim like about 4,000 or so for alimony, which is not your current spouse but your ex-spouse. If you pay sin yong fai, they call that, or alimony, you could probably do that. But it's really not common. And there's other spousal tax relief like basic supporting equipment if they are a disabled person, and also if I hope you don't claim this, but when there's a serious illness, then you actually claim for spouse tax relief as well. But you might wonder, what are the serious illness for spouse or for parents that I can actually claim? Is hypertension, is diabetes, is a serious illness? So what are the definitions? Now, just to keep this video short, I want you to comment below, leave your comments below if you want to know what are the definition of serious illnesses. So far, if you find this lesson has been useful, you find a lot of value to it, really, I will really appreciate if you click on the like button and click on subscribe so you get more lessons like this. Stay on so they can proceed to the next tax relief lesson and more goodies coming this way. Or if you are someone, you are also an investor and you also care about your investment other than your tax relief, because nobody really cares about tax relief until there's a tax filing season, right? But investment, 365 days a year. Hit me up on that, right? Now, want to know what are the best investment, which I think historically I'm managing funds for clients. I've been giving workshop for investment for Maybank, RHB, Permodalan, and all that. So the best consistent dividend investment in Malaysia, anywhere in the world, it can match EPF return without needing to constantly monitor this kind of investment, without a huge capital effort required to start off your property investment. I want you to actually check out the next lesson where I also talk about how to invest in the best dividend investment in Malaysia, anywhere in the world. Definitely check out that lesson. This is our most viewed, highest view, most popular video lesson in the entire channel. So I want you to check out on that and let me know what you think on that, right? So definitely don't miss out on that. A lot of people have already viewed it. If you did not view it, you are missing out. So that being said, CF Lieu, I see you in the next lesson.